In 2023, the Friends of Cherokee Marsh continued our activities in restoration, community science, education, advocacy, and having fun at Cherokee Marsh. Our annual meeting in January had the focus Nature is for Everyone, with guest speakers from Accessibility Wisconsin, the Feminist Bird Club, Get Kids Outside, Friends of Urban Nature, Madison Parks, and Dane County Parks. Keeping Cherokee Marsh healthy and beautiful requires a commitment to caring for it. Our volunteers cleaned up trash and removed invasive species on City of Madison, Dane County, and Wisconsin Department of Natural Resources lands, including pulling garlic mustard and Japanese hedge parsley, cutting and treating Phragmites, and cutting and burning brush. For the fourth year, we funded and supervised 5 Prairie Partner interns who put in 400 hours of conservation work at Cherokee Marsh, Meadow Ridge, and Yahara Heights Parks. We supported DNR crew work in the Cherokee Marsh State Natural Area with our Cherokee Marsh Conservation Fund, now 10 years old. We installed wayfaring maps provided by Madison Parks along the trails in the North Unit, and we lobbied hard for year-round portable toilets at the South Unit. We advocated for both Madison Parks and Dane County Parks to reroute trails away from Native American mounds and add signage. We celebrated new trails added by Madison Parks with our encouragement. Volunteers kept 5 kiosks updated with events and other timely information. With input from the Friends, Madison Parks has updated its web pages for the 3 units of Cherokee Marsh Conservation Park and Meadow Ridge Conservation Park. And we all enjoyed watching the goats hired by Madison Parks to graze brush at the South Unit. Several Friends volunteers helped care for the goats in the summer drought and monitored for escapees. Community science efforts in 2023 included continuing plant surveys in Cherokee Marsh Conservation Park, the International Crane Foundation's Great Midwest Crane Count, the Christmas bird count of the Badger Bird Alliance, and the Great Wisconsin Birdathon of the Natural Resource Foundation of Wisconsin. We also participated in a new frog survey project with UW-Madison professor Jessica Hua. On a May warbler walk, we tallied 59 bird species, including 13 warbler species. We documented the presence of river otters and endangered rusty patch bumblebees at the marsh. We and Wild Warner again served as hosts for Aquatic Invasive Species Snapshot Day in cooperation with the UW-Madison Extension, River Alliance of Wisconsin, and the Wisconsin DNR. Our volunteers continued the sewing project to create seed collecting bags for use by Groundswell Conservancy and Dane County Parks. We continued our monthly guided bird and nature adventures featuring topics including birds, wildflowers, bugs, rocks, and trees. Special events included an evening frog walk, and unfortunately, the annual moth walk was canceled due to thunderstorms. At October's Hayrides and Hikes, we partnered with Madison Parks to offer nature activities for both kids and adults, including creating new self-guided nature trail markers that we can reuse for future events. We welcomed and publicized events in the marshlands by many partner organizations: Badgerland Bird Alliance, Madison School and Community Recreation, BIPOC Birding Club of Wisconsin, Feminist Bird Club, Southern Wisconsin Butterfly Association, Natural Resources Foundation of Wisconsin, Get Kids Outside, Accessibility Wisconsin, Wisconsin Master Naturalist Trainees, and others. We documented Cherokee Marsh's history in conversations with longtime residents, and we talked to community members and interested media about the marsh lands, trails, and ecosystems. In 2023, the marsh suffered drought, wildfire smoke, and windstorms. But we have many achievements to look back on, and exciting new projects and challenges lie ahead. It's only with the support and participation of you, our members, partners, and advocates, that we can continue and expand our activities to promote land and water protection, restoration, education, and enjoyment of Cherokee Marsh.